Sri Rita Pratap Banerjee demand for changing the name of the West Bengal to Bangla.
Thank you, sir. Sir, it's a long-pending demand of the state of West Bengal to change the name of the state to Bangla. On July 26, 2018, the State Assembly, under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, unanimously passed a resolution to change the name of our state from West Bengal to Bangla. All sorts of clarifications were given in this regard.
Please.
Honorable Chief Minister of Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, has time and again requested to fast-track the approval. Mamata Banerjee, in her letter to the Honorable Prime Minister, has categorically stated, quote, "This rechristening will be in consonance with the history, culture and identity of our state and will reflect the aspirations of our people," unquote. After independence, there has been many changes in the names of many states and cities. The name West Bengal came into existence when the province of Bengal was partitioned in 1947. The eastern part came to be known as East Pakistan and the western part was named as West Bengal. Today there is no East Pakistan.
Please.
After the Bangladesh liberation war, it became Bangladesh. Bengal has always been the target of autocrats pre and post independence, as Bengal refuses to bow down, as Bengal became the nerve center of anti-British activities. The decision to partition of Bengal was taken by Lord Curzon in 1905. Vibrant and spontaneous protest erupted throughout Bengal, led by Rabindranath Tagore himself. The Polymath penned a number of patriotic songs which became the war cry of the anti-partition struggle. Amar sonar Bangla, ami tomaye bhalobashi, chirodin tomar akash, tomar batash, amar prane bajaye bashi, amar sonar Bangla, ami tomaye bhalobashi. Banglar mati, Banglar জল, বাংলার বায়ু, বাংলার ফল, পূর্ণ হোক, পূর্ণ হোক, পূর্ণ হোক হে ভগবান. Now sir, I will be requesting you, sir, this is a very interesting thing that the name East Bengal is never there, nowhere there. It is only, the name East Bengal appears only through a club, a 105-year-old club. That club represents the never say die attitude of the Bangals who migrated, who were forced to migrate from eastern part of Bengal. I belong to a refugee family. My father came here in 1947 when he was in class 5, and I, sir, I always, as a refugee, I wear the honor, wear the badge of, proud badge of honor. See, this is the culture of, anyhow, they will be doing it, sir. I will urge upon you. The name East Bengal is nowhere there. Our state's name West Bengal needs to be changed. The mandate of the people of Bengal needs to be honored. It is incumbent upon the government to respect the will of the 10 crore people in the state and accept the proposal of Mamata Banerjee's government and change the name of West Bengal to Bangla. Thank you, sir. Joy Bangla.